Hi everyone, this is Jackie Jones, founder and CEO of Way We Do. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Way We Do with Microsoft Teams. In particular, when a policy or procedure acceptance has been accepted, then a message will be posted to a channel within a Microsoft Teams environment. Okay, so I'm going to jump into show you the purchasing policy here that has acceptance. You'll know that it has acceptance because it has the exclamation mark circle here highlighted, so it turns yellow when that acceptance criteria has been added. And also this yellow bar at the top is displayed to users. In order for us to, so when this document is accepted, and so if I scroll down to the bottom, then the acceptance box appears. So when the user accepts this particular document, then a message will, we can then have a message sent to Microsoft Teams. So we're going to do that with the use of Microsoft Flow. And Microsoft Flow is a connector and enables multiple web applications to talk to each other and integrate with each other. So if you don't have access to Microsoft Flow, simply go to flow.microsoft.com, create an account to have a play with it. It also comes with Office 365. So if you have an Office 365 subscription, log into your Office 365 account and you'll see Microsoft Flow there. If you can't see it, it may not be enabled for you, so you may need to go speak with your IT manager in regards to that. So to create a new flow, you simply click the New button and then choose Create from Blank. Again, you choose the Create from Blank button here, or at the bottom of the page, select Search Hundreds of Connectors. I'm going to search for the Way We Do connector, and I'll just select that. And then we have both triggers and actions that will display. The one that I want to choose is when a procedure is accepted. So I'll choose this item here. And in particular, we want to be notified when the purchasing policy document has been accepted by the user. So I'm going to create a new step and then select condition to create a filter. To do that, we enter a value, and there's a range of dynamic content or fields that will pop up. The one we want to choose here is procedure title. And next to procedure title, there's a range of options, such as the procedure title contains certain words or doesn't contain words, if it's equal to or not equal to, for example. I'm going to leave it as is equal to, and then I'm going to type in, or actually I'll go and copy this policy title and ensuring I don't get any extra spaces either before or after. We'll go back to Flow and we'll paste that in. Okay, so when you create that condition, so when the procedure is accepted and it's equal to purchasing policy, if the answer is yes, then we can add a corresponding action. If the answer is no, we can perform another action, or simply we don't have to do anything. So in this case for no, I'm just going to leave it as is. For yes, I'm going to add an action, and I'm going to search for the Microsoft Teams connector. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, so we have the Microsoft Teams application there, and then we have a list of the actions and triggers listed. So I'm going to choose Post Message. When I select this item, it's going to ask for some additional information. So the first item here is the team ID. So I have created a team called Macarons Forever for our fictional macarons or French patisserie business. And then the channel that we want to send it to is Supervisors. You may even want to create another channel which is specifically for Way We Do procedure acceptance or for all Way We Do communications. So I'll just click Supervisors there. Next, I can structure the way I want the message to be displayed and the information that will be contained within it. So I'm going to add some additional text. So a procedure has been accepted. And I'm going to type in procedure title. is equal to procedure title, who it was accepted by, and then the date. I'll choose this is the date and time when the procedure was accepted. Okay, so once you create your flow, it's a great idea to title it. So otherwise you'll get confused with all the different ones that you'll create. So let's call this procedure accepted and message sent to Microsoft Flow. And we'll click Save. With any process that you create, and particularly with automations, it's really, really important that you test it to ensure that it is working. So I'm going to use the test button here and select the I'll perform the trigger action. And so Microsoft Flow is saying, well, this will take a few moments, and now it's waiting for me to perform the trigger action. So I'm going to go back to Way We Do, and in the acceptance box at the bottom here, I'm going to tick this and then type in my password to accept this particular policy. And I've got a very long password. Okay, so that was correct. Okay, and at the bottom of this policy, I've logged in as a user called editors@waywedo.com, and at the bottom here, it says accepted. Okay, so I'm going to jump back into Microsoft Flow. And it says that the flow ran successfully. And it said that when the procedure was accepted and the conditions were true, which in this case it was the purchasing policy, then if yes, then post a message to Microsoft Teams. If no, don't do anything. So you can see here that the little green ticks indicate that ran successfully. In total, it took less than less than a second. So if we now jump into Microsoft Teams, then at the bottom here, you'll see the message has been posted. And you can see that I did that earlier as well. So it says a procedure has been accepted. The procedure title is Purchasing Policy accepted by the user with this email address. And then we've got the time and date stamp of when it was accepted. If you need any assistance with connecting Way We Do with any of the apps that you have or with Microsoft Teams, and you would like Microsoft Flow or the use of Microsoft Flow to help you do that, please reach out to our team at support@waywedo.com. If you would like to create a new Way We Do account, you can go to the Way We Do website and then click on the Create a Free Trial button, and the address is www.waywedo.com. Good luck with creating your flows and connecting Way We Do with all the apps that you are using. Have a great day, and we hope to speak with you in the future. Bye.